everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I am going to explain how the acid react with the metal carbonate and the metal bicarbonate. So let us start. As you can see here, I have written the heading reaction of acid with metal carbonate. So here I will tell you what specific products will form. So here you have to understand metal, first metal plus acid, metal carbonate we have to take, plus acid, that will form metal salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so you must know that whenever we talk about the carbonate, CO2 gas always evolve. So let us pick here the one example. Suppose you are having CaH, we are taking carbonate, so CaCO3. Okay, we are showing the reaction with HCl like hydrochloric acid. So what will happen? Its cation exchanges with this anion. So metal salt will form in the form of CaCl2 plus water plus this CO2 gas will evolve. So let us balance this equation. As we are having 2 chlorines are here, so we have to put the number 2. Then hydrogen, it is getting 2. 1 oxygen it will take from CO3 and it will come out in the form of H2O, and 1 calcium and 2 chlorine that comes out in the form of calcium chloride. This is a metal salt. Okay, let us take another example like Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. If it reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid, so it will form NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, so 2 sodiums are here, so you have to put the number 2. Clear? Okay, now metal salt comes out in the form of NaCl, H2O, though you have to put there the number 2. Okay, for the balancing of hydrogen. So this is the complete balanced equation. Now in place of hydrochloric acid, suppose we are taking sulfuric acid. So what will happen? Take some another example. Once again calcium carbonate we are taking and showing the reaction with sulfuric acid. So what will happen? Calcium sulfate, calcium that exchanges its cation with this sulfate anion. So CaSO4 will form, as well as water, and CO2 gas releases. Remember it, CO2 gas always releases. Okay, let us take here the example for Na2CO3 plus H2SO4. So what we will get here? Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2 gas will come out. Clear? So these reactions I have discussed with you. In that cases, what happens when acid react with metal carbonate? Either it will be of hydrochloric acid or the sulfuric acid. The product will form metal salt plus water and the CO2 gas will evolve. Okay, formation of metal salt depends upon the nature of acid. If it is hydrogen chloride, so that metal chlorides will form. If it is sulfuric acid, means hydrogen sulfate, so metal sulfates will form. Okay, now we are coming on the next reaction of acid with metal bicarbonate. So what are the metal bicarbonate? Let us take here the one example, NaHCO3. This is of sodium bicarbonate. Suppose we are showing the reaction with hydrochloric acid. So what will happen? NaCl that comes out in the form of metal salt plus water and CO2 gas will evolve. Okay, so this equation is completely balanced. Again I am telling, this is of sodium bicarbonate, this is metal carbonate, or you can call it, this is hydrogen carbonate also. Okay, this is of hydrochloric acid, okay. Now here metal salt plus water as well as carbon dioxide is evolving, okay. So the product formation will remain same, metal salt plus water plus CO2 gas. So let us take another example for calcium bicarbonate. Suppose so you will have CaHCO3 whole twice because it is divalent and bicarbonate ion it is monovalent. So if we will show the reaction with HCl, so what we will get it, CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2 once again. Now its balancing part you have to see there, 2 chlorine, so you can put there the number 2, okay. And as carbonate it is to be here, so you have to put there the number 2. Calcium chloride, H2O hydrogen we are having 2 and 2 4, so we have to put there the number 2 also, okay. So you have to check the balancing of the equation also. Let us solve some another example also. Like suppose you are having sodium bicarbonate and the reaction is taking place with sulfuric acid. So what will happen, sodium sulfate will form, that is also the another form of metal salt, okay. And plus water and CO2 gas will evolve. So no need to balance this equation is already balanced. No, hydrogen is not balanced, so we have to focus on its balancing part, okay. So let me give the another example also, then we will focus on the balancing part. Suppose we are taking calcium bicarbonate, reaction is taking place with the sulfuric acid, so CaSO4 will form plus H2O as well as CO2 gas will evolve, okay. So let us balance this equation. So here we are having 2 and 2 4 hydrogen, so we can put there the number 2, and carbonate are getting 2, so again we have to put the number 2, and calcium sulfate is forming here. Here we are having 2 sodium, so you have to put there the number 2 here, okay. And sulfate are 1, so that is okay. And hydrogen are getting 2 and 2 4, so we have to put there the number 2 again. And this is for carbon, it is also getting 2, so we have to put there the number 2. Let us check the balancing of oxygen. 3 2s are 6 and 4 10. So here we are having 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Equation is balanced now, okay. So I hope you all have got it. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate, okay, and the reaction of acid with metal bicarbonate. That's all for today's session.